So here we have a Zircon or Honeywell Zircon panel. It's an 8-zone panel, and I've got the cover off at the moment because I don't want to show you all the everything that's put on the front. So we have a couple of fuses along the bottom here, auxiliary 24 volts and 2 sounder circuit fuses. If you're doing some testing and you don't want the sounders to go off, I might recommend taking out a fuse, but make sure you have spares if you do, because once you've done that, that will then stop the sounders from working and put a fault LED up on the panel. So if you need to access the system to put into test or to disable the zone or disable the sounders, which is another way of doing it aside from taking out the fuses, first you need to enter your code, and once you've entered the code, you'll see supervisor mode has been enabled. If you take too long to do anything from here, it will log itself out. So then you hold advance, it will bring the test function up, test LED, and the zone that you want to select. Once you select it, the light will stop flashing, but when you move to the next zone, it will disappear. It is still in test mode, and you can check that at the end. I'll show you how. I'm just gonna, for the sake of this video, just gonna put everything in test. So now the disable LED is on, you can then disable zones the exact same way. I don't want to disable anything, so I'm going to go carry on until it comes up with sounder fault disable. So this is where you disable the sounders, same as pulling out a fuse, but I will not be disabling anything. So now we're back to the main menu, still in supervisor mode. You can hit reset, log yourself out, and you can see the test LED is illuminated and all the zones are in test as well. To remove it from test mode, you want to take it out by going into your supervisor mode or log in with your 4-digit code, hold advanced, and then you can see that's a solid LED. When you press select, it will flash, which means it's no longer in test. And you do the same for all of them. As you can see, they're not flashing when I select them. They only flash once I press select on them, but once I go onto them, they're solid. So that means they were in test mode. And you'll see now that we're back into normal function of the panel, and all these LEDs are out. It's ready for you to log in, and other zones are tested in test mode or disabled.